An aerodrome and air navigation safety inspector's job entails ensuring that airports and heliports are safe, secure, and environmentally responsible. My name is Neil Christo, and I'm a technical team lead for aerodromes and air navigation at Transport Canada.
I like knowing that the work that I do helps to keep people safe in my community and the country as well. My name is Trudy Nastiak. I'm a civil aviation safety inspector with aerodromes and air navigation. Part of my job is to do inspections of runway surfaces to make sure that they are clear and free of debris, to make sure that the markings on the runways and that any required lighting is functional, and that it's safe for pilots to land their aircraft.
There's a lot involved in preparing for an airport or heliport inspection. Previous inspection reports will be reviewed along with various airport manuals and procedures such as winter maintenance, emergency response planning, and wildlife management. And after the inspections, the inspector will prepare an inspection report and send it to the airport for corrective action.
We work directly with stakeholders in person, both within and external to government. So really being able to effectively communicate with people is important, and to build those relationships, really helping people understand what the rules are and how they can comply, and then making sure that they know what they need to do to correct those deficiencies as well. Really, it's all in the interest of public safety.
Inspectors should be able to work independently and use their own initiative. They need to have good analytical abilities in order to interpret the regulations and provide feedback to air operators.
My background, I have 25 years of public service experience. I started out my career in safety and compliance on the road side of things. So inspecting commercial vehicles, I worked at a weigh scale and inspected trucks. And then I moved on to transportation of dangerous goods. I was fortunate enough to be able to do some Indigenous engagement on behalf of rail safety. And now I've been working in aerodromes on the aviation side of things.
Prior to joining Transport Canada, I was in the Royal Canadian Air Force for about 18 and a half years. During that time, I was primarily employed as an airport rescue firefighter. In 2015, I made the move to Transport Canada, initially as a transportation of dangerous goods inspector. Once I was given the opportunity, or opportunity arose, I transferred over to the aerodromes inspectorate, as I felt that my previous experience as an airport firefighter more aligned with that.
In this role, one of the things that I really like is the fact that I get to be out in the field. I'm not stuck behind a computer all day or in the office, so there's a good balance of being able to go out and then also going to the office and being able to collaborate and connect with my colleagues.
Inspectors also benefit from flexible work arrangements such as hybrid work and compressed work weeks. They have an index pension plan, a healthy work-life balance, and the ability to plan inspections around family and personal schedules.
I think we have excellent leadership, and the frontline employees are awesome. I love the people that I work with. I would say that's the biggest benefit of working for Transport Canada. People are professional, they're extremely knowledgeable, there's lots of opportunities for learning and development.
I think what I like the most about my job is the ability to travel to some of the busiest and some of the most remote airports in Canada. The ability to meet people, those individuals that keep these airports running in some of the most hostile, austere conditions. It's a privilege.
If you're considering a career in the public service, Transport Canada is an excellent employer.
The Aerodromes Group really provides a really good challenge, kind of demystifies the inner workings of an airport, and operating behind the scenes to ensure that the aviation system is safe and secure is definitely rewarding.